Hello everybody, Cassie Cooper with Cooper Coaching Services. I hope you are having an amazing week. Today I want to talk a little bit about limitations. Yesterday I posted a great video about limitations and not giving them to yourselves. Seeing that there is nothing holding you back. And I think this is really important, a really important concept, especially if you happen to be a leader or if you have someone else that's looking to you for guidance on how to be. I mentioned this on an earlier video that your team looks to you for what's right and what's wrong. That's your language, your behavior, how you drink, all of the above. It is all about you making sure that you are setting the correct example. So limitations, this goes right into that. So think of it this way. Have you ever had a time when you felt limited? Go ahead and take a second and think about that. Think back to a time that you felt limited. And then think around that a little bit. Meaning, did you go ahead and complete the task? Did you say you can't do it? What did you do to make sure you did it to the best of your ability? A lot of times it's just getting the knowledge that you need or seeking out someone to explain it better to you. I always look at it this way. There is absolutely nothing that I can't achieve if I put my mind to it. If someone asks me to do something, I think I can figure out how to do it, especially when it comes to work. And that was always a mindset that I had for myself and for my team, because the winning attitude that I've mentioned many times starts here. It starts with you believing that there are no limitations and there is nothing that's going to hold you back or keep you from accomplishing your goal. It's a matter of identifying what is limiting you in your mind, understanding that you have the limitation, and then taking the time to write down what it is that's holding you back. What is it that's keeping you from achieving whatever that task or goal is? Once you have ID'd it and written it down, well, then you can start figuring out a plan on how to overcome it and how to achieve what you're looking to achieve. And it might take time. You have to be, nice and kind to yourself and realize that it might take you some time, but putting the effort toward identifying it and figuring out how to overcome it and accomplish it will help you understand that there wasn't ever a limitation there. It was simply just a lack of planning. And having that mindset, that winning mindset, and that approach to any task is going to help you, but it's also going to help your team, because they're going to see how it should be done. They'll know from now on not to come with excuses to you, but to come with options. And you, as their leader, you can help them come up with a plan that's going to help them achieve their goal. And then you are adding value to your team member. You're helping them achieve a goal or an accomplishment that you can then later celebrate with them. So, I hope this has helped. I hope this tip is a good one for you. I look forward to talking with you later in the week. Thanks for watching. Cassie Cooper, Cooper Coaching Services.